Good morning, dear ones. Today we are going to see about the HC2 Education in Contemporary India. Okay, this is the second exam. Okay, so the first exam is the childhood and growing up, and second exam is education in contemporary India, and the third one DMSc, and then fourth one is GSS, and fifth one, sixth, no, ICT, that is computer science, and LAC. This both comes for 50 marks. Remaining all the other things are for 70 marks. This paper also, main paper, you have 70 marks question paper and 30 marks internals. Okay, so we will go through quickly about this first unit, meaning and importance of education. Okay, so very important question. I think everybody would have got now the scanner and that ASV gold, some other book, that red color book. So I think you all will have that notes. Okay, so now we will see the exact answers. Okay, see, whatever your teachers are telling, you can even take running notes, and also you can go through these videos and last time revision. Okay, at the neck of the moment you can make a revision like. So I think this will help you. Okay, this will help you a lot. So in this first unit, very important question is, explain the narrow and broader meaning of education. Okay, or else they will ask differentiate between narrow and broader of education. See, very simple explanation is, see, narrow education means what and all we are studying from the school. Okay, see, from first standard, from LKG to till 12th, then degree college, then whatever we are studying, higher studies, all comes under narrow education. That means English, maths, science, social, whatever it is. Okay, you are going to school and learning that. We have a definite syllabus and curriculum, yes or no? So for 6th standard only this much of portions should be covered. For 10th this much only should be covered. For PU, so they have divided, okay, according to the syllabus. So narrow education means whatever we are learning from school, university. Okay, we are going to university and studying there. Okay, we are going to the college and studying there, and we are gaining the knowledge from other person. That means the teacher is teaching us, yes or no? They're giving the notes, everything, and we are sitting and reading quite for about 8 hours we are sitting in the school and college, and we are learning something, we are gaining some knowledge out of that. So that is only called as narrow education. Okay, see, what is the meaning of education? First, to understand the concept. Narrow means only from school. We have timetable, 8 periods timetable, and we are related to either it is Karnataka State Board syllabus or ICSE syllabus or CBSE syllabus. Like that we have fixed curriculums. Okay, and also the pattern of teaching, each teachers knows, everybody will teach in the same way. Okay, either experimental or demonstration or blackboard method. Okay, the traditional way of learning, only that is called as narrow meaning of education. So once again we will read about this. See, in a narrow sense, education is imparted in school by trained teacher. See, we have to complete B.Ed, okay, or related to that or equivalent to that some degree. The teachers are trained and they are teaching us. Is that clear? See, for kindergarten, Montessori is very important. For KG teachers, they train that nursery training, they finish that. From primary 1 to 8 or something, they complete diploma, and then they go for high school, they complete B.Ed. Okay, so like that, then med. So some trained teacher should give the knowledge to the students. Okay, so they come under a roof. They come under a roof. Under that roof, they have fixed time, fixed period, and fixed curriculum. And more important is they conduct exams. They conduct exams. Whether the children is interested or not, they have to write the exam. Okay, so this is only narrow meaning of education. Okay, so we'll read this. Narrow meaning of education is the conventional and traditional type of schooling system. The curriculum, methods of teaching and examination and teachers are prefixed and predetermined. It is a systematic to achieve the definite goals of education through classroom instruction and teaching. See, for your better understanding, I have given a picture here. See, look at this picture. A teacher is teaching the children. They are in the classroom. They are in the classroom. So, in the classroom, they have entire infrastructure is built according to the syllabus, according to the curriculum, everything. It is fixed. Okay. So, the blackboard, whiteboard, whatever it is, everything is fixed by the school management. Okay, so this is only narrow meaning of education. See, what is broader education? See, the meaning itself, the word broader, wide thinking. Okay, broader education. This refers to the discipline that is concerned with methods of teaching and learning in schools or school-like environments as opposed to various non-formal and informal means of socialization. See, broader education means there is no fixed timings. You can learn from first standard, whatever it is, from the age 1 till your last breath you can learn. See, for this I can give an example. Cycling. And in the age of 3 or 4, they start cycling, how to climb up. They seeing somebody and imitating and learning from out of that. Okay, so see, if group activities, okay, the group activities, all these also comes under broader education. Even in the playground, when they are playing, they learn something. Okay, they learn something. So that is called broader education. Just see the picture, how they sit around and they learn from each other. They learn. Okay, so understand the meaning first. Okay, then you can elaborate the answer. And one more important thing is, this can be asked in 10 mark, like 10 mark, and they split the marks and give. Okay, so explain the meaning of narrow and broader means give some more examples like how I have given. Even you can write these examples for the exams. Okay, the next one is differentiate this narrow and broader education. By now you would have got some idea what is called narrow, what is called broader. Okay, see, narrow reading is everybody keep schooling, only school. What are the things you have done in school? Think about that. What they did, they pressurized you to study, learn, write and see. Exam. After the exam, test, mark, what is your mark, what is your total. Okay, then what you have to do? See, if you are failed in the exam, what they do? Immediately PTM. After the PTM, they take you to the principal. Okay, so you have to be answerable to all these people. Understand all these things, that, and you put into your own words and you explain it in the narrow part. Okay, broader part, you can even write whatever apart from school. you completely forget about the schooling, okay, forget about the classroom. Apart from that, where and all you are going, playground, bus stand, whatever it is, whatever comes in your mind, what you are learning from that place, okay. There is no teacher here, okay. The teacher can be even a small younger than you or elder than you, and whether a computer or an audio something, okay, listen to that, understand that, and then write. You can write all these points in the broader side, okay. For your more convenient, when I was writing, when I wrote the exam, I took the notes like this. Whether it may be helpful or not, just go through this notes, okay. This notes my teacher gave me, so I took a picture of this and I posted, okay. See, in 2017 they've asked this question. See, the first question is, what is education? What is education? And the B part is, differentiate between narrow and broader meaning of education. And then finally discuss the general aims of education with respect to the contemporary society. See, there are few points that you have to learn. See, when you are writing, always when you present a paper, when you're this is the first answer, the part A, this is the first answer. Maybe you know very well this answer. So what you try to do, you will start with the part A and the first question. So when you start, there should be some introduction. That introduction should be very attractive. Use like what to tell, don't use common vocabularies, okay. You use according to your level, okay. You're now in B.Ed and you have to teach the kids, so you have to learn more vocabularies, okay. So replace the normal words with more vocabularies and start to write. And then compulsory, whatever question you are writing, please write a definition for that, okay. What the person is telling, which person, what he is telling, like that. Make an apostrophe and write it there. At least 2 or 3 definitions which you know, okay, which is very easy. Give a quote according to that, okay. What is education? What Abdul Kalam told about education, what Indira Gandhi told, what Gandhiji told, okay. Like that you write something, okay. You search and write something, at least 2 lines about that, okay. It will attract, it boost up your marks, okay. Then start with, what is education? Even in education, there is a like how we say psychology, psych plus ology. Ology means study, psych means behavior, science of behavior. Like that you write something, okay. You create and write something like that, okay. Then you should go with the differentiate between the narrow and broader meaning of education. And then the general aims we will see in the next class, but I have taken the functions or importance of educations, okay. So the next important question is function or importance of education. See, you can make this into 3 circles. First circle, you like how we write A union B, B union C, like that. Make one circle, functions of education towards individual, society and nation. So the first circle will be individual, second circle will be society, and the third circle will be nation. So from there you mark, okay. You give some raise. See, it should be pictorial, it should be very catchy. Your answers should not be like pages of pages. Nobody is there patient to read all those things. Make it into pictorial, okay. Put all your points as a picture. You will gain more marks, okay. So from individual, what are the functions of education, what is the importance, what is the impact that makes on the individual, okay. So there you can write only one words with the examples. If you want to write with the examples, make it into a flower shape, or like sun rays, Like that you make this 3 function points and then you start to write the answer. Okay, before you sit for the exam, you should have a note for yourself. You should prepare a note for yourself. Okay, maybe your teacher would have given a very good notes, that doesn't matter, but you have to take a pencil and a note, keep it, take notes from that. Okay, make notes from that, from internet, whatever you are finding, whatever your mind says. Okay, so okay, for 5 marks this much, anyway in that question paper it is clearly mentioned that you have to write only 1.5 page. Okay, so don't exceed that, maximum 2 pages. Okay, don't exceed that, then they will think that you are writing the stories. Okay, so better be short and crisp. Your answer should be very short, sweet and crisp. Okay, so according to this you write. Okay, then the function of education towards society. Towards society, what is the function of education? Okay, these points you mention. How you can mention? You can make an idea, make a leaf, stem, leaves and flowers, like that you can use and start to write. Okay, these are the points. Function of education towards nation. Okay, to the nation, what kind of help this education is doing? See, it brings out the students great leader, whatever things they develop. You write all these points. Okay, so meet you in the next class. This I will make the aims of education in the next class. Thank you so much.